In this video, you'll learn how to book a cleaner on Wecasa. By following these detailed steps, you will successfully schedule a cleaning service tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Wecasa URL in the address bar. Once the page fully loads, you will see the home page featuring various service options. Next, locate the section labeled Cleaning on the home page. This option is typically displayed prominently. Click on Cleaning to proceed to the Cleaning Services page, where you can explore the different cleaning options available. After that, look for the button labeled Book My Cleaning on the Cleaning Services page. This button will direct you to the booking section. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can begin the booking process. Once this appears, you will be prompted to enter your full address, locate the designated field for address input, and provide your complete address details. This information is crucial for service eligibility, so ensure it is accurate before moving on. Next, click on the option labeled See Prices to view the pricing structure for the services offered. This will help you understand the costs associated with your chosen cleaning service. After reviewing the prices, you will need to select the type of cleaning service you desire. Options may include classic regular cleaning, classic one-off cleaning, deep cleaning, and holiday rental cleaning. Click on your preferred service to continue. Once you've selected a service, look for the Next button and click on it. This will transition you to the next step of the booking process. At this point, you will need to decide on the duration of the cleaning session. Click on How Long to specify how many hours of service you require. After making your selection, proceed by clicking Next. Next, you may be asked if you have any additional needs. Click on the corresponding option to indicate any special requests you may have. Afterward, click Next to continue. You will then be prompted to answer whether you have any pets. This is important for the cleaner's preparation. After clicking your response, continue by clicking Next. Next, it's time to select the date for your appointment. Click on the Date of your appointment option and choose a suitable date from the calendar. Once selected, click Next to proceed. After selecting the date, you will be asked about your availability on that date. Click on the relevant time slot that works best for you, then select Next to continue. If you are presented with a prompt asking if you want to keep going, click on No, keep going. This option allows you to bypass any unnecessary steps. Next, you will be asked who will be enjoying the cleaning service. Click on Who is going to enjoy this to provide this information. After entering the details, click Next. At this stage, you will need to enter any particular expectations you have for the cleaning service. Type your expectations in the designated field, as this will help the cleaner meet your needs more effectively. Next, you will be prompted to enter your card details for payment. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any payment issues. After entering your card information, proceed by clicking Book My Cleaning. Once you click Book My Cleaning, a confirmation screen should appear indicating that your booking has been successfully completed. This confirmation is essential as it ensures your appointment is scheduled. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.